Hello YouTube, this is Canfer here. I want to show you today how to create a FM radio modulation with dark theme in Windows 10. Easy way, step by step, using GNU-RADIO Companion. Let's fire it up right now. This is the step by step how to make your own FM radio with a dark theme. Right now let's create a new QT GUI. Right now let's open this block, and right now let's type in this top block your name, like test one, and generate options QT GUI, and let's apply it. Okay, right now we want to create a QT GUI range block. Let's search from here, and let's type QT GUI block. Okay, QT GUI range. Right now we need to make sure these values ID. This is the ID of this block, variable QT GUI range 0, and let's label it frequency, and the type we make it float, and the default value let's choose a default frequency. That's like 103.3 megahertz. Let's type it here, 1.3.3 E6, and the start value FM range 88.1 E6, and the stop value 107.9 E6, and the step 0.1 E6. Make sure the widget counter and slider and the minimum length is 200. Apply it. Right now we need to make another QT GUI range. Let's fire it up here, and this as you can see, variable QT GUI range 1. Now let's label it RF gain, and the type float, and the default value 0 gain, and the stop value up to 50. And make sure the widget we make it counter, and the minimum length 200. Okay, right now we need to edit this variable here, sample rate. Let's do it 102400 1.024 sample rate, and right now we need to make another variable. Let's search about it, variable. Okay, we need to make ID down rate, and the value 250 E3. 250 kilo. Okay, right now we need to create an Osmocom source. Let's put this block here. Okay, right now Osmocom source, as you can see, 0, complex float 23, and sample rate, and channel 0 frequency. Let's change it to variable QT GUI Range 0. From this block you need to put this ID, variable QT GUI Range 0, here. QT GUI Range 0, and let's go down, and we need to change channel 0 RF gain to variable QT GUI 1 from this block gain. Variable QT GUI Range 1. Okay, right now we need to create a QT GUI Sink. Right now let's search about it. QT GUI Sink. Okay, as you can see, the ID is QT GUI Sink, and the FFT size 1024, and sample rate, and then this the update rate 10. Okay, right now we need to create a low pass filter. Low pass filter block. Right now, as you can see, the ID low pass filter 0, and make sure the FIR type complex, and let's put decimation 2, decimation 1, and again let's put it 2, and the sample rate here we need to make a cut-off frequency 100 E3, and right now the transition width 10 E3, and the window make sure to change it to Kaiser, and let's make a beta 6.76 complex. It's correct. We need to change the decimation to sample rate and down rate that we create here. As you can see. Okay, right now we need to create a wideband FM receiver. Wideband FM receiver. Let's put it here. As you can see, analog wideband FM receiver 0. Okay, analog, and you need to change this value quadrature of to down rate, the audio decimation 1. Okay, right now we need to create a rational reassembler. Okay, as you can see, the ID is Rational Reassembler blah 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 0, and you make sure to change the type to float real tabs, this, and we make sure to change the interpolation to 24 and the decimation to 250, and okay. Right now, the final step, we need to make a audio sync. Let's search about it, audio sync. Audio sync, as you can see, we need to, as you can see, audio sync 0. Let's change the sample rate 24 kilohertz. Okay, right now let's connect all these blocks together from Osmocom Source to just click in the out to the QT GUI Sink, as you can see, and another one from Osmocom Source out, one click. Right now click in low pass filter in, as you can see. Right now from low pass filter out, simply click to wide band FM receiver in, another one from wide band receiver out to Rational Reasmpler in, another one from Reassembler out to audio sync. That's it. Okay, right now let's make it dark theme for the GUI. Let's go into tools and set default QT GUI theme, and let's choose a dark. Right now let's click on save. Let's name it test1 GRC. Let's choose to desktop and let's save. Right now we need to connect all this together, manage all this together by the click here, as you can see. Right now the blocks is ready to go. Right now click here. Okay, YouTube, this is a easy way to create your own GRC. I make it very simple, and just 11 steps to make your own GNU Companion radio modulation with dark theme. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.